Hello, welcome to the news summary from the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the top stories trending in northern Nigeria. The University of Maiduguri UNIMAID has blamed the delay in paying June 2026 salaries on the federal government's failure to release the required cash backing. In a circular dated July 3, the university said salary payments could not be proceeded until the funds are received. Management appealed to lecturers, non-academic staff, and other workers to remain patient, assuring them that efforts are ongoing to pay the outstanding salaries as soon as the government releases the fund. The delay has added to the financial burden faced by workers amid rising inflation and the high cost of living in Nigeria. The president of the Arewa Youth, Dan Bature Abdul, has called on the federal government to consider dialogue with armed bandits as part of effort to address the persistent insecurity affecting northern Nigeria. Speaking on the issue, Abdul said negotiations with armed groups could play a significant role in reducing violence and restoring peace to communities devastated by years of bandits. He stressed that dialogue should not replace ongoing security operations, but should be incorporated into a broader strategy aimed at achieving lasting peace and stability across the region. According to him, combining negotiations with military and law enforcement effort could provide a more comprehensive approach to resolving the prolonged conflict. The federal government has commenced the reconstruction of two major highways in Borno State with a combined value of 137 billion naira in a move aimed at improving security, reviving commerce, and reconnecting communities in Nigeria's northeast. The project, officially flagged off by Vice President Kashim Shettima on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, covered the Bama Banki Road and the Dikwa Gamborungala Road, both strategic corridors linking Nigeria to neighboring Cameroon. Bandits attacked farmers in Kangi, Birningwari local government area of Kaduna State on Saturday, killing at least 10 farmers and injured several others, according to the local source. The All Progressive Congress has come under heavy criticisms over its decision to alter the list of candidates who emerged from its National Assembly primaries. The move has also triggered fresh concern about internal democracy and the credibility of the APC's candidate selections process ahead of the 2027 general elections, while the People's Democratic Party mocked the APC for substituting the names of some primary winners with others. The Social Democratic parties described the move as reckless, while the Labour Party condemned it undemocratic. 6 people have been rescued by the Nigerian troops as search intensifies for rescue of school children abducted by ISWAP Boko Haram members in Musa and Lassa communities of Askira Uba weeks ago. The rescue included 4 women and 2 infants. This followed heightened effort to locate the students of Gamande Secondary School Lassa and Gamande Junior Secondary School Musa, kidnapped while in school. Now from the international scene, severe weather has disrupted celebrations of the United States 250th anniversaries of independence, including in Washington, D.C., where a thunderstorm delayed a speech from President Donald Trump by almost 2 hours. Trump, addressing a crowd of thousands after Saturday's delay, described the milestone as one of the most joyous and glorious in the nation's history. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.